Let me tell you about two showstoppers that just made their global debut at the Seoul Mobility Show 2025, the Genesis X Gran Coupe concept and the X Gran Convertible concept. These aren't just concept cars. They're Genesis' bold vision of future luxury and performance, drawing from the elegance of the flagship G90, but taking it to an entirely new level. One closed roof, one open top, both drop-dead gorgeous. The X Gran Coupe concept? Imagine a car inspired by Mediterranean olive trees. Its interior wrapped in rich textures, olive leaf motifs, and even olive with lighting accents. It's sleek, low, wide, and incredibly sculpted. Think sports car silhouette, but dressed in a tuxedo. And then there's the X Gran Convertible concept, channeling the luxurious vibe of fine European wine. Its grape-hued exterior and deep Cabernet tone cabin look like something you'd sip at a vineyard in Tuscany. Open the roof, and you're not just driving, you're indulging. Both cars flaunt Genesis' signature two-line headlights and a dramatic stance thanks to wide tracks and custom wheels. From the frameless windows to the hidden trunk gestures and crystal interior accents, every inch is designed to elevate the driving experience. This is Genesis not just making cars, but making statements. And with a hypercar and motorsport ambitions also revealed at the same show, it's clear Genesis is shifting gears into a whole new era.
World Cars.